first step is folding the shoulder in this way and bring the other shoulder together inwards like that and push it in until it reaches the end and hold the collar. Like that. And then this is the back. Bring it this way in. So it's almost half folded. And align the collar points together. And the other thing you can do is to avoid the sleeve getting creased up, put your hand in and push the sleeve this way so you can see. So the sleeve should be nice and flat like that, and position it there like this. So now it's like that. You can put your hand in there and straighten it up, and then you hold the two edges of the front, right, with the back together, back and the front together. Check it this way so the sleeve just falls to the edge there, and so that is going to keep it nice and flat. It's not going to crease up. So now it's half folded. What you do is from there now, turn it this way, fold it in half. There you go. So this is folded like that. The top, you always keep the shoulders on top so that way it doesn't get too pressed and you don't lose the shape of the shoulder. So like this, you can put it in your suitcase, and make sure you don't put it right at the bottom of the suitcase. Put the jacket right on top of the suitcase and close it up. So this way you can take it anywhere. It doesn't crease up. All you do is once you go back there, just open it up and it will be ready to wear without even pressing. In most cases, if it's cotton, still it works this way. Most of the woolen jackets, blazers, you can fold it this way. Even casual jackets, you can actually do it. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that, and then that will be helpful. And if you like the video, give us a like, and we'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching.